Hey, everyone. Welcome back to devRasen, your go-to channel for all things web development and design. Today, we're taking a step back and focusing on the basics. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the basics of coding by walking you through the installation process of Visual Studio Code, a powerful and free code editor that's a must-have for every developer. Let's jump into the tutorial. Head over to the official VS Code website at code.visualstudio.com. Click on the download button, and the website will automatically detect your operating system, providing you with the correct download link. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install VS Code. It's a quick and straightforward process that will have you up and running in no time. After installation, you can launch VS Code either from the installation wizard or by finding it in your Applications or Start menu. In no time, you'll have your coding environment ready. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Take a moment to explore the interface, customize your settings, and make it your own. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into VS Code and explore some essential extensions to supercharge your coding experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coders, and let us know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future.